Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix. You can't make this change at the moment on Facebook. So if you're encountering this type of an issue and you want to fix it, first of all, we are going to wait for some time and try again later in such cases. And another thing that we can actually do is to check for our notifications and or emails provided by the Facebook applications to inform or instruct us on why we can't make specific change on the Facebook application, which can be sent through the notifications, which is just right here, or that can be sent to email address, which is here. And from there, we are going to follow the instructions that help centers in order to fix this type of a problem. Another thing is to review the Facebook community standards in the case that we have violated the Facebook community standards, and to ensure that our account is compliant. And if necessary, we should take steps to address any violations. Another thing is to contact the Facebook support by tapping here at the three lines and tapping on the help and support, tapping on the help center. Then on here, we can actually type in the issue that we're currently experiencing, and the Facebook support center we has in fixing this type of an issue. And lastly but not least, we can try using another device, whether it may be our Google or Chrome or the Opera GX browser. And by following these steps, you may be able to troubleshoot and resolve this type of an issue. But if the problem persists, it's recommended to continue seeking assistance from the Facebook support resources. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.